Hello mga Lodi, good morning. So, ito na naman, first day natin sa work. I don't know why, pero bakit kaya pag first day mo sa work parang nakatamad and at the same time parang magsisimula ka pa lang ng shift but you feel tired already, no? Pero of course, once na napag-start mo na yung first day mo, once na nag-punch in ka na and start your shift, mawala na agad yun eh. Then, you will not notice nakapag-break ka na pala, nakapag-lunch ka na pala, then suddenly out ka na pala, and then you're done with your first day. And the other one as well that I'm concerned is, pag last day mo, parang gusto mo na mag-rest day agad kahit kaka-start mo lang ng shift. Comment lang guys kung totoo yung sinasabi ko, pero that's what I feel as the one who's also experiencing that. So, I hope that everyone is doing okay and having a great day of their lives rather. Please enjoy whatever you are doing. Be grateful from what you have, especially if you have work. Kahit nahihirapan tayo guys, always remember lahat ng tao dyan sa paligid lumalaban ng patas. Okay? Kaya, laban lang tayo ng patas guys. Have a great day. Take care. See you on my next video. Have a nice day.